What's going on, guys? It's Taylor, and sorry, I just had to make sure I had my work shirt on. I'm actually going to work right now. So, yeah. Here's the car that I'm always cruising around in. So, yeah, let's get this thing going. Diesel life. Needs a wash, that's for sure. Need to clean it out too. But yeah, guys, give me one moment, I'll be right with you. Alright, guys, so I just started driving away from where my car was parked. Wait for it to warm up for a couple minutes, so sorry about that. Anyway, guys, now you've actually seen what the car looks like. I mean, if you've seen my thumbnails, you obviously know what the car looks like. If you know what a 2013 Golf looks like, well, you've seen my car, honestly. There's going to be some minor changes soon. Actually, kill two birds with one stone if I have the money this weekend. I need to talk to my girlfriend about that, see if we have anything planned. I know that the Color Festival is this week, so we want to go to that. And I forgot the $5 at the house for a drink today. Great. So we'll see what happens this Sunday. I'm gonna see if my girlfriend and I are going to the Color Festival or if we're, not doing anything. We'll see what happens. So might be going to the Color Festival, might not. We'll see. If not, I'm gonna see if my friends and I, and also the Defiance group, obviously my friends, want to do like a car day and go from there. So we'll see what happens. I think it'll be really cool to do a car day and just bring everyone together and start working on stuff, start wrenching on some cars, meet up somewhere where we can do that, or even someone's house if possible. So that's the plan. Maybe do like basic stuff, see what we can do, and just go from there. Wow, I should have taken care of my hair. Wow. So I need to actually talk to her tonight. Be like, hey, I want to take care of these things with my car. Like, is that all right? Just go from there. See what we have planned. See if we have money for the Color Festival. Because we're also going to the aquarium on Monday, so I'll make sure I've got money for that. But yeah, I hope you guys have been doing well. Like, I'd love to hear from you guys. Comment down below. Leave a like, if you enjoyed the videos. I'm gonna try and implement more things into the video, more scenery-based stuff. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm just cruising to work right now. I'm getting stopped at like every red light. So yeah, big things. Not really big, actually. I shouldn't say that. There's some minor things coming this weekend, possibly the next weekend after. That's my birthday weekend. I'll see what happens. I'm actually turning 21, so ooh, that's out of focus. Focus. There we go. Sorry guys, I didn't realize that was out of focus. I apologize for that. Hopefully it'll stay in focus this time. But yeah, this is, I don't know, we'll see what happens. There's so many things I want to do this, but I don't have the money or the time. If I had a second car, this would be, probably the daily, honestly. I don't have the money to do big things to this car like I would like to. Like, maybe even the CR170 turbo rather than the 140 that's on it now, the CR140 Borg Warner, rated for 140 horse. I'd much rather have the CR170 for 170 horse. Turn this into GTD. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. It's pretty much the GTI, but diesel. Except they don't use a 170 turbo. They use something different because they still have all the torque that the diesels get, but they have like, I think it's 200, maybe 200 130 horsepower. I could be wrong on that. Don't quote me on that. I know it's in the 200s. It's more than... Wow, car, thanks. It's more than, obviously, the standard turbo diesels. Obviously. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. Coming soon. We'll see what we can do. I mean, if not this week, then next. But it is what it is for me, really. I don't know. This has to be finished by June 1st. That's my only thing, is I want this done before Import Spring Show off. And, you know, we'll see if we can get that taken care of. So, yeah, guys, this is Taylor, you know, just weird update. I don't know. I've got another vlog on my phone that's saved that I don't really feel like uploading, honestly. I'm probably just going to delete it. And if I want to use it, I'll use it. And also, I went to try out my GoPro today just to use that for this video, but it says it's completely dead, but it's been plugged in for like the last 3 days. So something's going on with my GoPro. So I need to figure that out. So I'll figure that out hopefully for the next video. So yeah, guys, see ya.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your